Sup fam, Vince here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to review the latest product of Maybelline New York, which would be the Cheek Heat. I really find this interesting dahil first time ko gagamit ng water-based gel cream blush. So if you guys wanted to know how it looks like, what are you waiting for? Let's go! As you guys can see, I already did my base off camera, tinapos ko na rin yung kilay ko, and naglagay din ako ng highlight, but I did not set the face with powder. So now let's dive in. I got this PR package from Maybelline New York. Thank you so much to my Maybelline squad for sending this PR package. So this one comes with 3 shades ng Cheek Heat ng Maybelline. Actually, there are 4 shades in total, but I only got 3. But don't worry guys, kasi ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung lahat ng mga shades para makita nyo rin sila. So tinanggal ko na siya dun sa packaging niya kasi ginamit ko to for my Instagram story. Nandito pa rin yung packaging niya, hindi ko tinapon. And this comes with an information card. By the way, ang cute pala ng transparent bag kasi meron talaga siyang parang leather na nakatatak yung logo ng Maybelline New York. So cute. Let's start with the product information. This is called the Maybelline New York Cheek Heat Gel Cream Blush. Again, it comes in 4 different shades. They have it in Rose Flush, meron siyang Nude Burn, meron siyang Fuchsia Spark, and meron din siyang Berry Flame. So what I have right now is Berry Flame, Rose Flush, and Fuchsia Spark. So the only shade that's missing is yung Nude Burn, number 15. So now, ano nga ba yung Cheek Heat? Well, alam natin na blush siya. So according to the information card, meet your new summer essential. The Cheek Heat Gel Cream Blush is Maybelline's first water-based blush. Sabi rin dito, this is oil-free, water-based liquid blush formula, glides onto your skin for a soft, dewy finish. It's also buildable and blendable, leaving you with a fresh, lightweight feeling so you can tone up or tone down your makeup looks depending on your mood. These products are available on their official Lazada and Shopee account. I'll put all the links that you need on the description box down below. According to this card, they have a promotion. Each one retails for 299 pesos. But if you buy 2, you can get both for 539 pesos. This promotion is only good from April 1 to 30, 2021. Looking at the packaging, it's very standard dun sa mga Maybelline products and I like it. It's full of information. Nakalagay dito yung claims niya, nakalagay yung list of ingredients. This is good for 6 months from the open date. On here, you would see the shade number and the shade name, and this one contains 0.27 fluid ounces or 8 ml. Talking about the component of the product, it looks very cute, though this is not the first time na nakakita ko ng ganitong klaseng component. Pero it's so cute, pocket-friendly siya. Nakalagay dito, Cheek Heat. We have very minimal information on the component of the product. But if you're the type of person na mabasa talaga, I guess kailangan mo yung packaging, nandun lahat nakasulat. Enough with the talking guys, now I'm gonna give you a few hand swatches of the Maybelline New York Cheek Heat. First up, we have number 35 or Berry Flame. So now ilalagay lang muna natin siya sa aking hand. Medyo dagdagan natin ng konti. Ayan. And now this is how the shade Berry Flame looks like. Yung Berry Flame is may pagka-pink and may pagka-violet. It looks nice pero this is not gonna be the shade for me. Though first impression ko, yung formula niya is way different compared sa mga ibang cream blushers na na-try ko before. Next up, we have the shade Rose Flush. So let's now do a pinch of Rose Flush. This is how the shade Rose Flush looks like. This one looks very nude, para siyang muted orange and peach shade. Sobrang nice niya. The last shade that we're gonna try is the shade Fuchsia Spark. So now let's do a pinch. This is how the shade Fuchsia Spark looks like. This one meron din siyang halong pink pero meron din siyang mga red tones sa kanya. Kaya kung gusto niyo ng sobrang common comparison, this is like an intensified Myrtiolet shade. Parang ganun yung shade niya. So again, these are how the shades look like to hand swatch ko. Magpa-pop up ko ng image for the other shade para meron kayong idea kung ano yung color ng shade na yun. I will try to remove them using regular baby wipes. Tingnan natin kung magli-leave siya ng stain. So ayan, as you guys can see, meron siyang very subtle na stain. As in, nag-stain talaga siya. I'm not expecting this para sa isang cream blusher. Pero, this is gonna be nice dahil talking about the longevity ng product, kahit nasabihin natin na water-based siya or gel-based siya, this will last you a long time. Dahil nga it leaves a stain on your skin. Kahit na humulas ka na, makikita pa rin and magpapop pa rin yung blush mo. So now, nakapili na ako ng dalawang shades na gagamitin ko on my face. On this side, gagamitin ko yung shade na Fuchsia Spark, and on this side, gagamitin ko yung shade na Rose Flush. So magsisimula muna tayo sa Rose Flush. Yung instructions nila dito is you need to put like 3 dots dito. So maglalagay tayo ng 1, 2, 3. Ayan, medyo napadami ata yung lagay ko. Parang ang kapal-kapal niya. So babawasan lang natin tong dito sa dulo and ilalagay natin dito sa my nose area para maka-achieve tayo ng medyo drunk blush. So now, using my 2 fingers, i-blend out lang natin to. Pag biniblend out ko siya using a tapping motion, medyo umaangat yung product. So I guess we need to do a swiping motion. Ayan, mas perfect. If you do a swiping motion, mas may evenly distribute yung product dun sa skin mo. And mas makikita mo yung color payoff niya instead of doing a tapping motion. Please note guys na medyo napakapal yung paglagay ko. So now, itatry natin to i-blend. So, ayan na yung itsura niya na blend out na natin. This is the side na merong rose flush. Pag tinignan ko sa monitor, parang hindi ko masyadong makita yung pinagkaiba. Pero in real life, in person, makikita mo na meron siyang subtle flush of color. It blended well with my foundation dun sa skin ko, pero I would highly recommend this na gamitin mo na bare face. Mas maganda yung kakalabasan niya, mas natural. Na-achieve nila yung claim nila na it's very lightweight kasi I feel like I'm not wearing any gel-based product sa mukha ko ngayon. And since nag-mix siya dun sa foundation, medyo na-neutralize yung pagka-dewy niya. Which is I like it this way kasi combination yung skin ko, eventually mag-oil up din ako and magmumukha ring dewy yung face ko. Pero if you use this on a bare face, mas makikita mo yung dewiness niya. Sobrang kakaiba na water-based siya. Sobrang nice. Anyways, let's try the other shade. This time, medyo kukuntian natin ng very, very light. Again, we're gonna do 3 dots. Ayan. And we're gonna put some dito sa my nose area. Tapping motion does not work. You need to swipe. Nakikita nyo ba yung sobrang very subtle flush of color dun sa cheeks ko? It's very, very nice. If you are the type of person who wanted to achieve that very natural looking blush, I think this is the perfect product for you. As in, yung parang kung ayaw mo magmukhang sobrang plakadong naka-makeup tapos fan ka ng mga drunk blush or mga cream blushers, I think this is perfect for you kasi hindi siya oily and very subtle talaga yung blush niya. It's not like yung on your face na blush. Pero the only cons na nakita ko dito sa cream blusher na to is if you really want to build up the color payoff niya, you have to use a lot of product. And for $299, and this one only contains 8 ml worth of products, kung magastos ka sa blush, well, mapapadami yung bili mo. Yung parang hindi ko masasabi na a little goes a long way. Kailangan mo talaga i-build up yung product if you wanted that super intense drunk blush. Pero yung kung gusto mo very lang, minimal lang, then konti lang din naman magagamit mo. These are how both blushes looks like after the application. Again, on this side, I use the shade Rose Flush. On this side, I use the shade Fuchsia Spark. Looking at it, I think both looks really, really nice. It looks very minimal, it looks very natural. Yung parang ang lakas makatisay moment, parang ganun yung ginigip niya sa akin na vibe. If you guys are wondering kung gaano kadaming cheek heat yung nilagay ko, para siyang pea-sized yung nagamit ko to have this color on my cheeks right now. As you can see, it's still very subtle, pero medyo madami-dami na yung nalagay ko. If you wanted to wear something lighter than what I'm wearing right now, then konti lang yung magagamit nyo. Pero if you're the type of person na mahilig sa mga intense blush, medyo madami-dami, and I think kakapusin kayo sa 8 ml. Talking about the price point, 299 pesos for 8 ml, I think it's on the pricier side. But then again, they're still very innovative. First time ko makakita ng water-based na cream blusher. Usually kasi yung mga cream blushers na meron ako dito is parang oil-based o kaya clay-based. So this is something new for me and I'm totally loving it dahil mahilig ako dun sa parang natural flush. I would highly recommend this product for everyone, not just women, not just girls, but also for boys who wanted to achieve that parang medyo flushed look. Yung parang nasinagang ka ng araw tapos namumula-mula yung pisngi mo. Yung dating niya is parang no makeup look. Ganun yung datingan ng blush na to. Hindi yung parang nagmumurang blush on your face blush. Ito yung natural na natural talaga tingnan. Overall, I love this product. I'll put all the links that you need on the description box below. If you have any comments, please do let me know your thoughts. Sound off below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.